Alright, these are the elevators at the Courtyard of Marriott in Huntsville, Blue Lake Shore. This isn't the Claremont location. That's for the college. This is a completely different location. And we got some Solaria elevators here with a bell. I think these are pretty fast for a hydraulic. Alright, here we go. You can see the actual address for the building on the certificate, 21 East Hart Road, although I'm just going to call it the Courtyard. Thank you very much. 3,000 pounds. Door close works. A little bit of more space between floors 2 and 1. There are your buttons there, your newer gen Solaria fixtures. There it goes, and that's it.